Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night. It's a TGIF long weekend, folks. Let's make it a great weekend. Please be safe out there. Surrender and let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that's happening right here, right now. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow down 4. NASDAQ is flat. S&P's the flat. Gold contracts up $11.80 at $12.68 an ounce. Silver up 15 cents, $17.34 an ounce. Platinum up 13 bucks, $9.61 an ounce. Copper's down 3.5 pennies at $2.55 a pound. Light sweet crude up 90 cents, $49.79 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 2 ticks, 126.07. 30-year bond up 5 ticks, 154 flat. King dollar up 144 ticks, trading at 97.320. The euro's at 111 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111.23 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have out here? Okay, so this is what we have. Right now, you get a flat market. We're at 241.68 in the SPY. If you take a look at this and we put this on a weekly basis, you're going to be closing over the highs out here. I don't expect we're going to get any action. Yeah, you get anemic volume. There's no doubt about that. Bottom line, on to next week. Bottom line, and what you do have coming into next week, by the way, Tuesday will end up being a slow day, and then you're coming right into window dressing. Dow Industrials. What do we have with the Dow Industrials? Dow Industrials also a flat market out here. Now, the difference in the Dow is that we are not at the highs. What the Dow did do yesterday is that it got over the past 3 highs, going all the way back to the 26th of April. The high in the Dow is at 21,169. Thus far, yesterday you hit the 21,000.12. You closed out at 21,082. Right now, we're at 21,080. NDX 100 as well as the composite, they're both at highs. Composite right now, flat market, you're at 62.06. NDX 100, that is laying out here at 57.84. Let's just go see if Amazon has hit the $1,000 mark yet. Nope, yesterday, so check it out. Yesterday, folks, you hit $9.99. Today, we hit $998.65. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, folks. Sorry, folks. Excuse me. Gold contract getting over its B point. You're up $11.50. You've done 253,000 contracts. This is a good number here. So gold is making its way up to this swing point of 1297. We're 1267 right now. That is the April 17th swing high. When you take a look at this, we don't have a confirmed ABC up. The reason being is that when gold took off topside last week, on the 17th of May, we had 378,000 contracts. On the 18th, we had 369,000. Bottom line is getting over that. Big volume, but not as much. So you have to take it out with volume. We're 253, which is great volume, by the way. Bottom line, I expect you're going to see us get up into that level. Silver has also caught a bid. Platinum caught a bid also, even a bigger bid. Silver up 15 cents. You've done 64,000 contracts. Once silver got back inside the $17 area, you're in the higher range. I expect what you're going to see, silver's going to now try to make a run up to this $18 area, and we'll see what kind of juice it has. Notes. The 10-year note, 30-year bond. This is an amazing market, this note and bond market, folks. Fed saying, hey, we're going up on short-term rates. Note and bond market saying you can go up as much as you want. People are still buying them hand over fist. There's less supply than there is demand. Bottom line, Your swing high out here inside the 10-year is 126.20. We hit 126.12 today. We have 1.8 million contracts, big contract volume. Last 2 days, yesterday you did 2.4 million, the day before you did 2.3. So what you also have here is that you're pushing into the swing high and you're already into the bar and you're right next to the bar with volume. More than likely, we're going to see, whether it's Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, this thing wants to break topside. And this is a very large ABC structure, I suspect, on the way up. Will bring us up to the 128 area. When you take a look at the 10-year, the 10-year is trading at 2.246. And that 10-year, that is at the lower end of the last 6 months. The low for the last 6 months is 2.168. The high is 2.6. Last year, different ball game. Last year, we're slightly over the middle of it because we got down to 1.358. And King Dollar, folks, just can't hack it. Now, King Dollar hasn't been able to do a counter trend bounce. This has been a one-way trade, since the January 1st. Yeah, pretty amazing, actually. January 1st, we were at January 3rd, we were at 103.750. You're at 97.340 right now. This couldn't even hold price again today. If we put this on a continuous contract, what you're going to see out here, I'll put this on a weekly, you're going to see it's been a one-way route all the way down. Now, the bottom of the bar that it's digging into right now is 95.90. What we already have done, and we've done this with conviction, is that we broke the trend line that comes off the low and good old King Dollar, which goes back to May of 2016. And that low there, folks, is 91.880. So the way that's set up on a longer basis, that's where it wants to go. It busted higher in November, couldn't handle higher price, stayed up there approximately 8 weeks, then came barreling back inside the consolidation that it's been in, and it's been in this consolidation for quite some time. So bottom line, what I expect you're going to see is good old King Dollar is going to be making its way down into that 91 area on a longer term basis. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials right now down 1, Nasdaq's up 2, S&P's are flat. Gold's up 11.30, silver's up 15 cents. Platinum is up $13. We'll be right back.